We at the Women's Center for Success want to congratulate you on your new position. Whether you are going to be new to UC Irvine or just have received a promotion, the Women's Center wants to take a moment to celebrate your accomplishment, welcome you to campus, or re-welcome you to our center.
We are so excited for this new chapter of your career journey to begin. As you start or continue your UC Irvine journey in this new position, we would like to introduce ourselves and offer our services as a resource to you.
We are a center under the Student Life and Leadership Cluster in the Division of Student Affairs. Our center exists to support and celebrate women students, faculty, and staff at UC Irvine, assist them in overcoming barriers they face, and help them develop the tools to achieve success. Our mission is to advance gender equity through educational programming, support services, and providing resources.
We hold certain signature events each year, including the Empower Us Summit and the UC Irvine Dynamic Women Awards, as well as overseeing signature groups like our annual Women's Leadership Seminar student cohort. Our center has plenty of opportunities for staff and faculty to get involved and develop skills to progress in their careers. And our staff is here to support you.
Information about our available resources and upcoming events can be found on our website, campus groups, and Instagram page. We recommend signing up for our popular newsletter to stay in the know of all our upcoming ways to get involved.
We look forward to seeing you at some of our events. Please feel free to stop by our space and say hi. We are located in the Rise Suite on the 4th floor of the Student Center South building, and we're open Monday through Friday 9 to 5 during the academic school year. Don't hesitate to reach out to us through email to chat, collaborate, request a workshop, or seek support. And once again,
Congratulations!